Finally, we have our first glimpse at the Galaxy S24 Ultra display, and this time it clears up any confusion over the Galaxy S24 Ultra's bezel size. According to Ice Universe, these are the screen protectors for the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. The bezel size on the S24 Ultra is just crazy small, although the top of this protector says 1.8mm. According to Ice Universe, the bezel size on the S24 Ultra will be about 1.5mm, even smaller than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and these protectors confirmed a couple of things. First, the current bezel is no longer on the S24 Ultra, and second, symmetrical displays, all four sides are the same. There are a couple of other things you should be aware of with the S24 Ultra display. This is the first look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I have some information about it. First, by reducing the inner bezel size on the S24 Ultra, they increase the outside bezel size, as compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra's outside frame is smaller than the Galaxy S24 Ultra's, but the S24 Ultra's bottom bezel is much larger. They also modified the selfie shooter. The camera hole is somewhat smaller and relocated down slightly, as verified by Ice Universe. Furthermore, by reducing the bezels, Samsung made a change in display technology, and they are going to offer us the M13 screens, which will come with a massive 2500 nits of large brightness on all models of the Galaxy S24 range, and the new unique AI is amazing on the S24 Ultra. With the brand Samsung, the new Galaxy AI will do wonders for the S24 Ultra. According to the source, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to include increased AI functions, including the AI Live Translation Call feature. According to Samsung AI Lite Translate Call, customers of the new Galaxy AI phone will soon have access to a personal translator anytime they need it, and it will be available on the Galaxy AI smartphone, so you can trust it. According to the source, it will first support 10 different languages on the S24 Ultra before expanding to other Galaxy handsets, including the obvious S23 Ultra, which is even more amazing. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.